Here's how to delete an email account on your iPhone. Now hop out of the email app and let's open up your settings instead. You can choose to delete or turn off that email account. I'll show you both options depending on your preference. So from here, we're going to scroll to the bottom, tap on apps, and then we're going to scroll down until we find mail on this list. Now within here, you'll be able to see all of your email accounts, including your iCloud if you wanted to delete that, or Gmail or Outlook or whatever. So from here, let's tap on mail accounts and then tap on one of these. Now you'll be able to see mail is turned on. All I need to do is toggle this off, and now this email will no longer show up in the mail app. However, I can still have calendars or contacts, etc. But if you wanted to delete the entire Gmail account or email accounts on here, we can tap on delete account and then tap delete. Keep in mind, this does not delete any of your emails because they're still all stored in that email server with Gmail, with Yahoo, whatever you might have. Now, let's say instead of that, we don't want to do that. We want to turn off iCloud. We can just tap on iCloud. And again, instead of just deleting the entire iCloud email account, we can just toggle off use on this iPhone. Now it will no longer show up on your iPhone. Of course, you can go through the process of fully deleting that Gmail or iCloud account if you wanted to as well.